arrow. I'm making a painting of the water, trying to get into the season. And this will be priced for $40. So, better get on your iPads and start ordering, because this will run out very soon. So, next I'm gonna need to do a clear brush. You know, now I'm gonna need like a nice white. So, I'm looking around for it. Mom, don't get. Now I'm just gonna use this for like the bottom of the boot. So, now I need a smaller brush for this. This back, clean this off. There. Now we can dip it in the white and start making the. Oh no, that's not showing up. I could probably make like a pink boat. This. Don't worry guys, I know how to use this, so you don't need to fry it out. My mom taught me. Making a nice pink boat. One more drop. That should be enough. Then I can start making that into a boat shape. Oh, then right out of it. Let's get a different color for the flag. Maybe I can make like a purple flag. I'm just using a lot of ink because I love it. Alright, last step. Be careful with ink, because ink can get all on your hands and it's really hard to wash off. We just need 2 drops of that. I feel like I'm making like a potion, like a frog potion, like. Then you just use the little tiny brush to like move it on in. And we're just gonna make a little sunshine. Like this, but first let's get it off, because you don't want ink with paint, because that can stain it. Then you can make it a different color. Parents supervise about using ink, because my mom is right behind the camera, so I still get supervised by my mom. There. Now we're just gonna close this up. So I'm just finishing up because my mom asked to stop it because I don't want to give away all my secrets. Now right now I'm doing like a fishing rod guy. You see him? See him right there? Oh, that was a bad idea. Alright, let's just put the pencil down and start wiping that off. Oh, I'm just giving myself yellow skin. It should be purple right now, because I'm fear. Get it? Get it? Oh, you get it, Mom. You get it. You know what? It could wash off. I just gonna have yellow skin. So I'm just gonna tell you what I used for this painting in case you want to make it yourself if you can't buy it. Right here I used this for the ocean. You just like, if you don't know how to use it, you ask your mom or dad to help you. Then for this I just used a nice pink like this. Then for the yellow, I just used this type of yellow. Then for the black, it's somewhere around here. Come out wherever you are.
I'll just.
I can't find the black right now, but you can use any black you have around your house, like saying. And then for the sky, I use this special spray. And make sure, kids, if you're trying to use the spray, make sure you keep the whole side going down, because if you spray it like this, up in your eyes like my sister did. And then I just used, for the little flag part, I used this nice purple. Then for the sun, I just used this. For the black, I used anything black. You can use any pencil if you want, but I just used this one right here. And I'm just gonna side it up here. And you can turn it off while we give shoutouts tomorrow to my next video. Nah, no shoutouts right now. I just gotta sign this.